Hi there everyone. In today's video I'm gonna showcase how to create a custom button to basically put on sleep your PC, because I don't know if you all have this problem, but like for my laptop, if I press suspend or like the button of suspend, it doesn't happen nothing. I don't know why it's bugged, so I search online. There's a command line that you can do, which is this one. Sleep. It removes the power configuration, it does the suspend, and then it quickly puts it on again. This one works. So basically it's very simple to make. Like if you have installed PowerToys for Windows, it's the official one to basically manage the keyboard and other stuff. You can make the button any key you want do something. Like for example, I put the Shift plus N button to do something. The issue is that I cannot run the command itself. It needs to be an exe for whatever reason. So you can do this by basically downloading another program called To Exe, which I found online the negative reviews, but like for me it was really simple. You don't need to also download it and install it. There's the portable version. You basically open the To Exe program. You paste the code, this one. Save it on the desktop, just a quick if or whatever it is. Add an icon. I put the moon icon, like I found one online. Yeah, it's not really done nothing deep. Folder work, the current folder. Format, leave it all as it is. Extracting desktop. Put everything on the desktop, which makes things easier. No need to incorporate nothing, no need to add nothing, just save this, convert, and put it as df. Yep. Now it's converting it. As you can see, as I already did mine, and there's the sleep.exe, here there's df.exe. That's the path command line for the for Windows, and this is the version of .exe. Now that you have the .exe, you can basically quit this. Of course, you will just open the manager of the shortcut right here. Click the shortcut left plus N for me, right shift and N, which is really fast to do. You can't just put one button, unfortunately. Put the exit, the new exit that you make. Click save, and now the suspension, it should work. I already tested before. It's pretty simple. It works like a charm. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hope the video was useful to you too, and wish you a nice weekend. Bye.